Hello student, good morning. How are you today? I hope everybody's fine. All right, this morning we're going to use your book, The Color Green. Kindly be ready and let's have now our lesson today. Okay, let's start. Let's start your Color Green book. All right, and then we're going to answer this book. All right, are you ready? Let's start now. Open it in page 56. Okay, 56 is there. You're going to listen, point, and read aloud. Right, let's have it. Hat, sweater, trousers, socks, shirt, shoes, dress. Number two, look at the pictures and number the words. Okay, example number one. What is number one? Number one is shirts. Okay, I put there the number. And then you are going to do the next. Number 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, then 7. So you are going to write the number on the box. Okay, next, let's have to the next page of your book. Page 57. Listen and say, I'm wearing a blue shirt and green hat. Next, I'm wearing a pink dress and orange socks. I'm wearing a red sweater and yellow trousers. Okay, number 4, what are you wearing? Draw yourself. Okay, you're going to draw yourself. You're going to draw there. You're going to draw yourself here, and then you are going to write example. I'm wearing a pink dress and orange socks. Okay, so next, you are going to do the next page of your book, page 59, and here in number 7. Okay, look and match. Put on my shoes. Okay, where is put on my shoes? You are going to match it. Okay, put on my shoes. Here they are. Okay, next, let's have the next book. Kindly be ready with your purple book. Okay, we are going to answer this. Please open it in page 48. Okay, next, look and match. Socks. Okay, here. This is the example that is in your book. Kindly do it, and the rest you are going to match it. Next, number 7, listen and circle the picture. Okay, number 1, have already a picture. Okay, and circle it. Number 2, please be ready, and then I'm going to speak and then circle the picture. Okay, are you ready now? Please get your pencil. All right, number 2. Number 2 is the word. What's the picture? The number 2, trousers. Trousers. Trousers, right? Number 3, dress. Dress. Number 4, shoes. Shoes. Number 5, hat. Hat. Number 6, shirt. Shirt. Number 7, socks. Socks. Okay, so let's have to the next page of your book, page 49. Okay, page 49, you're going to draw and trace the picture. Okay, so this is very easy. Just draw and trace the picture. Okay, I hope students, you are going to answer our homework. And this is all for today. Thank you for that you answer your book, and always keep safe and have a good day to all of you. See you next time.